Hello, my name is Scott Douglas, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2017 170 Montauk. This boat is equipped with the 90 4-stroke Mercury. Moving forward, you can see the optional aft jump seats, as well as the optional live well, which has 2 rod holders built in. The helm seat area can convert to a leaning post by folding forward so you can stand. Moving forward, you have the tackle storage drawers built into the console. Forward of the console, we have the cooler cushion seat and backrest with rod holders built in. We also equipped this boat with the trolling motor panel, which deletes the bow rail. With the 17 Montauk trailer, we also have a fold-away tongue, which will fit nice and neat in your garage at home. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, please contact Scott Douglas, 910-256-8100. Thank you.